Welcome to the farm. This incredible creature is the American bullfrog, one of the largest species we raise here.
This incredible amphibian is a prime example of the American bullfrog, one of the largest species in North America.
Reroute the water flow to the new filtration system. We need to maintain optimal conditions across all sectors. Pay close attention to the spacing of the bins on the conveyor. We must maintain a consistent flow to the next station. Data stream confirms optimal processing levels across the board.
Excellent. Maintain current parameters.
Looks good, I'm heading off.
All right, see you. This batch of green has an excellent grain structure. Look here. Yes, much better than the tan we saw yesterday.
The tensile strength here is exactly as predicted by the model.
Interesting. Let's log the data immediately.
From the artisan's careful inspection of the finished product to the industrial scale of the processing facility, quality control is paramount.
The tensile strength is within the acceptable range, but the hydration levels are slightly lower than the last batch.
We're seeing some uneven absorption on the dorsal side.
All right, let's increase the cycle time and check again. The toxicity levels are stabilizing right on schedule.
Good. The bioreactor seems to be handling the synthesis well.
Check the colorimeter reading against the spec sheet. It seems slightly off hue near the edges.
Noted. I'll flag this section for re-dyeing.
The hue saturation is perfect on this one.
Agreed. The structural integrity seems stable, but let's double check the data from the tumblers.
Almost to the end of the aisle.
It's much quieter here than the dye room. Whoa,
I
whoa.
know, I prefer this section. The smell is better too.
water resistance is exceptional. Look at the beading.
I'm recording the tensile strength now. It seems consistent across the entire sheet.
As you can see, the polymerization process resulted in a flawless gloss.
Yes, the quality control metrics are well within the acceptable range.
The bump spacing here looks good, but the color variation is slightly off on this batch.
I agree. We should isolate these for further review before sending them to finishing. The texture here is excellent, but check the thickness at this point.
Measuring now, it's reading 2.4 millimeters. The iridescent quality here is exactly what we're looking for. Make sure the tensile strength reading matches the spec sheet.
We're holding steady at 2 millimeters.
Let's see how close the color match is. Scan the sample.
Look at the finish here. It's flawless.
The data confirms the new processing technique has significantly reduced imperfections.
Quality control is essential. The tensile strength must meet luxury standards.
And the finish here is flawless. Check these lot numbers against the manifest before it heads to the export holding area.
Already on it. The scanner confirmed the first pallet.
This one is ready for dispatch.
The shrink wrap here is damaged. We need to document this.
We've verified the dimensions on these. They meet the specifications for the current shipment.
emerald green is crafted from our finest alligator mississippiensis. The quilting on the tote provides a slightly more casual elegance.
This is our premium grain, exceptionally durable.
And the texture on this one?
And the texture on this one?
It feels exquisite.
This model features our signature pebbled grain leather, exclusively sourced from Italy.
It's beautiful. Is the interior lining also customizable? Look at the detail on this frog. The craftsmanship is stunning.
Indeed, it's quite the statement piece. We invite you to experience the quality firsthand. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at the boutique soon.